Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on ea.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Electronic Arts homepage. Now from this page, in order to sign up, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Create Account. You will then be taken into the sign up page. Now you can use your social media accounts or your Google account to sign up, or you can do this manually by selecting your country and then entering your date of birth. Then click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your preferred email address. Type in your email address and enter your preferred EA ID. After typing in your EA ID, enter your desired password and then click on the next button. You will now be asked to complete a verification challenge. Click on the Verify button and solve the puzzle that you see. After you complete the verification, you can set up your profile visibility. Set up your profile visibility and then choose whether you want to be found through your email address. Finally, click on I have read and accept the user agreement and click on Create Account. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So check your inbox for the email you used to sign up and you will find your security code. Just enter the security code within the verification box and click on the next button. And now you can click on the Finish button and your account has just been created. And you can proceed with using your EA account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the EA website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.